Magandang hapon po ng Monday, September 2, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, September 2, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, September 2, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, September 2, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, September 2, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Monday, September 2, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.